Upon arrival, as far as a delivery of a product, making contact with customer relations, make verification the product that you are delivering to the tank that the customer wants the product into. And upon the positioning of the truck and trailer, inspect the area to make sure that there's no problems prior to getting started, and then hook up as far as the pump and hoses and the PTO jack shafts. At Liquid Trucking, we have different processes for certain deliveries or drop-offs. One was with air pressure, and the other one was using a roper pump, creating a suction out of the trailer. The difference is one of them, we're pressurizing the trailer, and the air pressure is what unloads the trailer under pressure. The one with the roper pump is creating a suction, and anytime that you start a pump, you always want to vent the top of the trailer. If not, it will actually collapse that trailer. You must have all your safety gear on. That includes hard hat, face shield, goggles, rubber suit, gloves, pants, and rubber boots. One drop of a corrosive material will eat through the layers of your skin, and it could create anywhere from a 1 to a 3-degree burn. The next thing is to pressurize the hoses to make sure that there's no leaks, whether it'll be a bad gasket in a hose or a bad valve on the customer's side. Once you release that, then you open up the valves and start your pump. The last thing you're going to open up is the internal valve on the trailer, and you're going to open that slowly. And once again, you're going to check to make sure that there's no leaks, either on the pump side, the hoses, all the way to the customer's tank. You want to make sure that all connections are secured at the cam locks, that are locked down, that way that they can't vibrate, and then you're going to have a spill once the cam locks disconnect from the connection. We're working with drivers, customers, and the dispatch center, and our operations, we run off Qualcomm for hours of service logs, and it corresponds with our dispatch operations center, to where the dispatchers keep an eye as far as the driver's location, how far he's got to get to the customer for the pickup, and making sure that he has enough hours for the delivery. The client needs to make sure that there's enough room in the tank for the amount of product that they ordered and that we're delivering. Once you get there, if the process goes well, from start to finish, you're looking about an hour, hour and a half for loading or unloading process.